to my channel. In case it's your first time seeing this face, my name is Candace. I'm about to make some chili with no beans for some chili dogs. So I thought I would do the recording to let you guys see. If you are new here, thank you for stopping by my channel. Please consider subscribing to the channel. I would love to have you a part of the channel. Also, please leave me a comment, leave me a like, and yeah, for the current subscribers, welcome back. And so I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So let's try to turn it on. This is probably about a pound of meat. Now I'm not gonna cook it like entirely on the skillet. I'm gonna like transfer it to and let it slow cook for like 5-6 hours. But I'm just gonna brown the meat. So yep. Hope everybody is having a good day today. I know my face is coming in and out of the video. But yeah, definitely hope you all are having a good day today. I'm gonna let this meat brown. I will go ahead and add some beef bouillon to it. Just for some extra flavor. But yeah, I'll come back once it finishes browning. So I'll be back in just a moment. Okay guys, I'm back. So it is actually still browning, but while it's doing that, I thought I would come on here. I haven't done this before, but I wanted it to have some green chili. So I'm gonna open this up. I'm gonna put these like in a processor. That one's open, and this is just rolled goals chili ready diced tomatoes. Let me see. This is probably like just like a pound of meat, I'm assuming, because I kind of like eyed it when I kind of like packaged it up, but I'm sure it's probably like a pound of meat. I am gonna drain it once it gets done browning, or almost finished browning, because like I said, I'm gonna put a slow cooker tray in it. But anyway, I'm also gonna put a little bit of jalapeno juice in it, just for a little bit of spice. I cut up a half of onion. So that is, so once I get ready to put everything in the slow cooker like bag, I'll come back. So I'll be back in just a second. Okay guys, I'm back. So I'm about to pour this in here. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna also that's just like a half an onion that I'm putting in here. I'm going to put this in here with the juice. So I'm gonna use this in the Ninja and process it down almost into like a sauce, and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. So I just wanted to show you and what I end up mixing up is a 15-ounce can of Roma tomato paste, which is what you see in this consistency, and then 1 can of Rotel diced tomatoes and green chili, and then 1 can of red gold diced tomatoes, chili ready. I am gonna still put some chili seasoning in it. I need to get rid of these packets. I bought like a whole container of chili mix, chili seasoning, but so I'm gonna do that. So let's see. So let me try to wash my hands. I'm also going to add just a tiny bit of water to this, just to kind of get rid of that. So this is just like a pound of meat, and then all that sauce I put in here, I am gonna add a little bit of this water to it with a little bit more beef bouillon, some garlic powder, some onion powder, and some black pepper. So like I said, I'm gonna let this cook for 5 hours. And then I'll let you see the end results. This will be for like some chili dogs, because I didn't want to have no chili out no can. And I hate Hormel chili. So I decided to try to just go ahead and do this myself. So I thought I would bring you guys along. So I will definitely let you all see the end results. So let me finish adding that, and then it's gonna be in it for 5 hours, and then I'll let you see what it looks like after the 5 hours. Container that comes with, that was connected to the one that I actually have rice in. Let me see if I can move this so you can see. Hopefully you have a good picture of what that looks like. This was actually my first time making chili without any beans in it. And obviously I didn't want tomato chunks, but usually when I make regular chili with beans, I do leave my tomatoes chunky. Okay. I also use the slow cooker bags that go inside the crock pot, just because it makes the cleanup easier, a whole lot easier. Ooh. Say, oh boy. Okay. So it filled this container all the way up, as you can see. Ooh, hot. Hold on. But anyway, so there you have what it looks like. This chili obviously could be used on, you know, if you were making chili dogs, chili fries, chili cheeseburger, you know, or whatever, anything like that. But I hope you like this video. It'll be out sometime the end of the week or the beginning of next week. Enjoy the rest of your night, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye, guys.